Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Lindsay. If you're new, I would love to have you subscribe and stick around. I have a junk journal flip through to share with you today. This is the first Christmas journal of the season. I hope to do many more, but I still have a few orders I need to finish up before I can really get into posting Christmas stuff. But this is a custom order, and this is a Joyful Christmas junk journal. I made one similar last year, and this is a custom order similar like it. The junk journal digital kit is called Joyful Christmas, and it is designed by Calico Collage, and I used a lot of that throughout. So it is a recycled cardboard cover, 1-inch spine, 2 signatures, 96 pages. It's covered with an upholstery fabric that I got from Lori Louise. So thank you, Lori Louise. I really like it. And I just tried to do kind of a funky green, a little bit different than, you know, a traditional Christmas. This is not a traditional Christmas journal. There's a lot of pinks, blues, purples. And I have a journal card from the kit. It says Merry Christmas. It has a little deer and a pink tree and a purple tree. Then I have a little vintage daytimer page behind it, a little Let It Snow wooden page flag tag thing, and some blue snowflakes. It has a removable tassel. I hope I'm in frame. I'm moved my phone up just a little bit and now I can't see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm good now. So it has a removable tassel. It's a green bulb pin with a pink and a blue bead. And then here's the tassel. It has a snowflake and this little sprig of white flowers and pearls and a whole bunch of laces and trims in coordinating colors. I love the tassel. Not a traditional, you would not even know it's a Christmas tassel except for the snowflake. And that's really neat because you could remove it and put it on a winter type journal if you wanted to. There is a gold twisted cord closure, and let's get right inside. So what I've done in this, there's 24 pocket pages. And I really am emphasizing this journal to be a journal where you have lots of space to tuck all of your ephemeras, all of your receipts, your pictures, your notes, your to-do lists. There's lots of pocket pages. So I kind of mirrored that on the front. Here's a tuck spot, and it's just a piece of ephemera like a time card or a balance sheet. And then you can tuck in whatever you like there in the front as well. So these pages are all designed by Calico Collage, and they're part of the kit. And I just sewed them to some hand-dyed paper. There's reds and greens. They're kind of more like a light pinkish light green, but they are available in my shop. They're great for Christmas journals. So you can purchase those in my shop. My shop link will be below. So here's a little journal card from the kit. It has the Hark the Herald Angels Sing, and I made it a tuck spot. Here's a little snowflake doily that I sewed on. And then I edge punched this with a star punch. And that's just some Christmas double-sided paper. And then all of these are pocket pages. And then this is a Christmas vintage postcard that is also in my shop. There's a set of 16 that you can buy. Here's one of them, and it's backed with the green paper for journaling. And then there's a little label pocket page. So I have a double tuck here. This is a mini journal card from the kit. It says Merry Christmas. And then this is just a piece of Christmas paper that's cut down. So I made a little journal page here. I stitched on this ephemera that says December 23rd, North Pole. And then there's a little green tag in the front part. So there's another big pocket. And here's a journal card that I made. The little deer is cut out from the ephemera sheet for the kit, and then I had a Merry Christmas label, and this is just it's on the back. It says, "'Tis the season to be jolly." It's just a Christmas journal card I had left over from last year. Big pocket pages. Another one of my vintage Christmas postcards in my shop, and that's backed with red paper, and then here's a little teeny tag that is tucked behind it. The tight paper clip. So here's a vintage book page, December 25th, It Really Happened. I think this is from the 60s. And then December 26th, the Christmas cards. It's the little stories. I added a stamp, This Music Belongs To, because there's a lot of music throughout this book. I added a tab and a little bit of washi to this page. This journal card is from the kit, and I sewed and then backed it with lace and glued it on here. It's kind of like a header. And then this is from the Joyful Christmas kit as well, but I thought it needed a little something else, so I took a coin roller and made a little pocket, and then a mini journal card from the kit, and then this was cut out from a little book page, and then there's a little die cut as well tucked in there. This is a sticker and a little bow that I made. It's a little Santa journaling card there. There's a little star die cut clipped on there. There's a label here and a sticker there. This is a journal card from the kit. It is like 2 folded in half, stitched, and then it makes a little pocket, and there is a little shipping tag just tucked in there. Little journal card that I had in my stash, and I added a heart from the kit, and then a chipboard tag. So lots of Christmas stuff going on here. Some Christmas animals, some Christmas washi, and a little Christmas Santa hat. I have some Monopoly money and a Santa bingo chipboard piece. Vintage Christmas books, little beautiful snowflake headers. I did a collage here. This is from the kit, and then I added some lace and a little piece of ephemera I had in my stash. More Christmas animals. Here's, this was in my stash, left over from last year. A little Christmas tag, some stamping, vintage music pages that are winter themed. Little mini book page about Alfred Squirrel trimming the tree. Here is a little floating pocket, and there's a tab at the top with a little snowman. And then this is a sticker. It's like a chalkboard type sticker, and you can put that anywhere. And then a couple years ago, I got this in Happy Mail. I don't remember where. It's just been in my stash, and so I thought that would be cute to clip on there, and you could use that. Here's a little like Christmas rose flat back and some beautiful blue lace and the back. So super fun, kind of a non-traditional Christmas theme. I have one more spot available to make one like this before Christmas. That will be guaranteed. If there's something else you want Christmas related, send me a message. But I will put that listing in the link below, the description box below, so you can click on it and purchase it, and that will be mailed to you in time for Christmas. So I hope that you enjoyed looking at this flip through. It was really fun to make, and kind of started singing Christmas songs and getting in the Christmas spirit. It has been so hot here in Tennessee. It's still been up in the upper 80s, even hit 90 in the last week. It's crazy, but this next week is supposed to be in the 60s. So I'm super excited, and I know I'm going to really get that holiday feeling.